Let's forge out some tongs from Ken's Custom Iron. Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. We're going to forge out a set of Ken's Custom Iron tongs. These ones are the bolt tongs, which is one we'll be forging out. And they're pretty sweet little pair of tongs. Basically what they've done is they've sent out a billet, a pre-shaped billet that you just have to draw the reins out and shape the jaws a little bit and rivet it. For the cost of them, they're cheap, considering, and like the name says, rapid and quick. They're pretty fast to make. So one of my goals for this year was to forge out a couple of different sets of tongs. I've got 3 right now, and obviously 3 just hardly cuts it. It's hard to hold on to the material with just the 3 that I've got. So yeah, that was one of my goals. And actually, for a Christmas present, someone got me a set of these. So I was pretty excited. I was actually pretty excited. I mean, I'm kind of the mindset, need a tool, make a tool. And I needed a tool, so I was going to make a tool, but someone got me these. So then I didn't have to make a tool. So that was pretty cool. I would say that the coolest thing about these, for me personally, because I am a small business owner myself, the coolest thing was, I would assume Ken hand wrote the person's name that got these for me, hand wrote his name on the thank you card and then signed it below. As far as a customer relations or customer service part of the business, to me that's huge. I mean, that's I know it doesn't take a whole lot of time just to write someone's name, but it's the time that he took to do that. He could have just sent out a thank you card, said, hey, yeah, thanks for purchasing these, have fun. No, he took the time to actually write the person's name, and that's just cool. So, Ken, if for some reason you see this, big thumbs up to you. So thank you very much for that. Anyway, these were fun to forge out, so let's forge them out.